Hey there, and welcome to my video about verbally abusing you with my superior enunciation. Now, I know what you're thinking. How could someone possibly harm me with their words? Well, let me tell you, I am an expert in the art of verbal abuse, and I plan to show you just how powerful it can be. Firstly, let's talk about enunciation. Now, I'm sure you all know what it means, but just in case, it refers to the clarity and pronunciation of words. And let me tell you, mine is flawless. I have spent countless hours perfecting every syllable, every vowel, and every consonant to make them sound as crisp and clear as possible. And what better way to use my perfected enunciation than to verbally abuse those around me? Now, I know that sounds harsh, but trust me, I'm doing you a favor. You see, my words are like a tidal wave of dynamic complexity, flowing with much power on those who dare to cross my path. Whether it's an associate who messed up a project, a friend who stabbed me in the back, or even a stranger who looked at me the wrong way, I will not hesitate to verbally unleash a vortex of belittlement. And the best part is, I do it all with a smile on my face. I mean, why should I let them know they are getting under my skin? Instead, I calmly and eloquently tell them exactly what I think of them, using all the tools in my verbal arsenal to drive my point home. And let me tell you, it works every time. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, well, that's not very nice. But here's the thing, I don't really care about being nice. In fact, I think being too nice is a weakness. It allows people to walk all over you, and I refuse to let that happen to me. So, I take control of every situation by using my words to assert my dominance and let people know that I'm not to be messed with. And let me tell you, it's a pretty great feeling. There's something empowering about being able to put someone in their place with just a few well-placed words. It's like a rush of adrenaline that leaves me feeling invincible. I mean, who needs physical strength when you have the power of words on your side? Now, some of you might be wondering how I got so good at this. Well, it all started back in my school days. I was always the quiet kid in class, the one who never spoke up or stood out in any way. But one day, something inside me snapped, and I decided that I wasn't going to be a pushover anymore. So I started practicing my enunciation, reading books on psychology and persuasion, and studying the art of argumentation. And slowly but surely, I began to develop a reputation as someone who could hold their own in debates and discussions. People started coming to me for advice, and I found that I had a knack for getting people to see things my way. And once I realized the power of my words, there was no looking back. So, in conclusion, if you want to be like me, if you want to be a master of verbal abuse, then start perfecting your enunciation. Read up on psychology and persuasion. Practice your argumentation skills, and always be prepared to stand up for yourself. Remember, words are a weapon, and with the right tools and technique, you can use them to dominate any situation. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to hearing about your own experiences with verbally abusing those around you. My superior enunciation.
My superior enunciation. My superior enunciation.